Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching from. Um, I really want us to talk about something that I think would be very important. I want you to listen to me like your brother, alright? Listen to me like your close friend. Listen to me like your loved one. Listen to understand and not just to reply, okay? We live in a society right now where all we do is glorify money, not minding where that money is coming from. Okay? We live in a society where a lot of people have killed their conscience and have chosen to decide, to go on to walk on the paths that would lead to destruction, lead to sorrow, pain, and agony. My generation believe that the quickest and the fastest way to become wealthy is through scamming. My generation believes that the quickest and the fastest way to make money is to get themselves involved in hookup. But what is making me to talk about this today is because of what is happening, the untimely deaths, the rituals, the crazy things happening out there in the society that is really, really disturbing. Our young ones are going on glorious exits very quick, and it's really, really disturbing. We're getting so greedy with things, not being patient, trusting and believing in God, for the miraculous. Let me tell you, it's great wealth from God. And one thing that you have to understand is the wealth that comes from God and the wealth that comes from the devil, the end of that wealth is the definition of the source. The end of the wealth that comes from the devil brings sorrow, pain, tears, agony, sorrow, and a whole bunch of crazy stuff, yeah? But to that man that God blesses, it comes with peace. It comes with genuine happiness. It comes with joy. It comes with happiness. It comes with unending fountain of love and divine settlement. It comes with good experience to manage the resources. God remains the only source of wealth that will never give you sorrow. Okay? Don't be so fast to go to the path that will lead you to destruction and pain and tears. Relax. Learn something for yourself. You wanna become a web developer or something? Go and learn it. It's just gonna take you some years. After which you'll be getting little and be saving and plan a life for yourself and your family. You wanna learn how to cook? Go and learn how to cook. People will always patronize you. You wanna become a fashion designer? Go for it. You wanna become a graphic designer? Go and learn it. You wanna know well about hotel management? Go and learn. Go get knowledge. Okay, let's stop chasing quick money. Wealth itself is something that is built. You have to follow the process. Okay? Let's not be jumping into ways of making quick money and end up living in pain, regrets, shame, and sorrow. Okay? Even if you're not getting the money today, relax. Learn something. Learn something. Be a woman of value. Be a man of value. Alright? You want to learn how to become a good furniture? Go and register yourself and learn something. Learn something legit and make good money. A money that you'll be proud of, a money that you'll be confident to defend. Alright? There's good success from God. He's going to bless the works of your hand. There is good success from God. Alright? Please. The things going on, in this society currently is really, really disturbing. Our youths are not willing. They're not willing to relax and listen. Look at the covenants that our forefathers and our fathers had with God. They lived long. They lived long. What's going on? Untimely death everywhere. What's going on, guys? Let's relax and learn something legitly. And make our cash legitly. I know this is not going to be for everybody. Some persons might hear and not feel very comfortable about it. Some persons might hear and feel comfortable about it. But there is great success from God. Okay? There is. As a lady, there is a great success from God. It's not about hookup. As a guy, it's a great success from God. You must not be a fraudster. Alright? Please, like I said, listen to this video to understand. And not just to reply. Okay? I love you genuinely. And I know that you're going to be a great success in your family. Relax, everything is going to be well. Alright? So weeping may endure for a night, but joy comes in the morning. As long as you're walking legitly and your trust is absolutely on God, you definitely will smile at the end of the day. Okay? Blessings on your journey. Have a wonderful day, guys. Bye for now.